Awesome transition, right? In today's one we're going to recreate it and you can use it in your car videos or music videos. All you need is 2 clips and 2 minutes of your time. Let's go. So we will transition from this one to this one, and in order to do it we need to create an adjustment layer. Click here and click on adjustment layer, click OK, drag it to somewhere here, and what we need to do, we need to trim it to be exact 10 frames. And how to do it, go to the end of your first clip, like in the middle of your clips, and what you need to do is you need to hold shift and click right or left arrows on your keyboard, and I'm going to click left and I'm going to make a cut here. Press C to activate the cut tool, so I will make a cut there, and I will use the shift and right arrow key to go 5 frames forward. I'll do the cut there, and I'll go to the select tool and I'll remove the unnecessary parts. So we will have exact 10 frames that we need for our transition. Next that we need to do is we need to go to the effects and search for levels. Drag it to the adjustment layer here, and what we need to do, so there's a lot of parameters here, but we need one, this white input level, and if you're going to play with it, you will see this strange fleshy like thing, and this is exactly what we needed. So I'll create a keyframe here and I'll go to something like 40, I guess, should do the trick. Yeah, I like 40. Go back a couple of frames, like something like so, and just reset it and drag that key to the beginning of the adjustment layer and do the same here. Just go a couple of frames forward, make a keyframe and reset everything. So drag this somewhere here and let's view what we have. Boom, just look at this. So we create our transition here. But we can go even further. So basically what we need to do, click on the adjustment, click on this down arrow here, and you will see those graphs here. So what we can do actually is click on our keyframe here and we can drag this up till something like so. Okay, so what it will do, let's see. You see it will hold longer here and will flash immediately here. So you can control how would you like to view the animation, so we can do the opposite. So basically let's just reset this to linear, so we can do the opposite here. So we can do something like this and it will be super flashy. So you can experiment with these things here, but basically this is the way to create this simple transition. So this is it for today's tutorial and I hope you liked it, and you can leave a comment like, this guy shares information without wasting my time, so YouTube algorithm will spare me and will push me to the top. As well, I have a shameless plug here. I have a new shop and most of the things are free, so you can go and check it out. There's Lightroom presets, there is some presets for Premiere Pro, so go check it out and I will catch you in the next one. Till then, stay awesome!